Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an awesome green screen trick that you can do right now staying at home. Let's see what happens here. A phone appears and then it scans the wall. Although it looks hard, but it's pretty easy. First you need to find out a flat thing which has a texture. In my case, you can see it's a wall. And always remember that your camera shouldn't move. Then open this image in your phone or take a screenshot right now and do it after watching this video. By opening this photo, your phone screen will work as a green screen. Now it's time to take the action. Move your phone like you are scanning anything like a spy. Your phone should not be closer to the camera. Okay, now it's time for editing. Import this footage to your VSDC video editor. Find the frame where there was only the textured thing. Then select your footage and create a snapshot. Place the snapshot under the video. Make the video layer invisible. Now you can see only the snapshot layer. Change the pans to color. Now edit this texture as much as you can. For example, you can use the LUT effects or changing the values or RGB curves and others. So I've created this type of texture, and in your case that could be more different, and it depends on taste, so I have nothing to tell about that. And now get back to the classic pan and make the video visible. Double click on it and add background remover. Choose your background with eyedropper tool and change a little bit of value if it is needed. So that's the main concept of this video, and you can do much more things like using a video instead of that snapshot and so on. So I'm nitul. Thank you very much for watching this entire video. Hey, this is End Screen. Enjoy all of these videos. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and just poo.